how many of you use vanilla? Or how many of you know that vanilla is also a condiment or a spice? Yes, it is. Did you know that it has alcohol in it? Yes, it does. So we use it to do many flavorings in baking, cooking, pastry, whatever you to flavor our food. But did you know it has alcohol in it? Now, I'm not promoting this particular brand. I'm just using it as an example to point out that yes, it does have alcohol in it. As you can see, concentrated, alcohol free. This one does not have alcohol in it. The previous brands that I would have used, I don't use them anymore. Those have alcohol in it because I did not know at the time that they do have alcohol. So yes, alcohol is in it as a preservative, as a base, prolong the shelf life of it. And so you know that vanilla has alcohol in it. Please share in the description section of this video if you knew that. Did you know? I'm your health educator, Tanisha Lawrence, and this is your Monday Medz. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, share, comment, subscribe, and follow us on all our social media platforms.